Welcome to our channel. How to log in to my router using 192.168.1.0 IP. Check your router label. Flip the router around and look at the sticker on the back or bottom. There's usually an IP address written there. That's the real login address. Connect to the router. Make sure the phone, laptop, or PC is connected directly to the router either via Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Don't use mobile data. If connected to a hotspot, switch it off. Open a browser. Use Chrome, Edge, Safari, any browser works. Just make sure it's not redirecting to a search page automatically. Type the IP address. In the address bar and not the search box, type 192.168.1.0 and hit enter. If 192.168.1.0 was typed before, then clear the cache and try again. Wait for the login page. If the connection is right, the router's login will open. If it says that site can't be reached, then check if the router's actually powered on and the device is still connected to its network. Use default credentials. Most routers use admin, or admin password by default. If that doesn't work, check the back of the router again. It's usually printed there next to username and password. Reset if the password is changed. If the login keeps failing and you don't remember changing it, then hold the small reset button at the back for about 10 seconds. Once all lights blink, it's back to factory settings. Explore router settings. Once inside, go slow. The main thing to look for is Wi-Fi name, SSID, password, and connected devices list. Note anything before changing it. Secure the router. Change the default admin password to something stronger. That keeps random connections from messing with your network later. Save and log out. After adjusting settings, hit save or apply. Wait for the router to reboot if it asks. Then close the browser tab and you are done. Now the router's set up correctly via 192.168.1.0 IP. Thank you for watching.